One of the most important aspects of woodworking is selecting the right type of wood for your project. In this video, we'll be discussing wood selection and preparation for beginners. There are many different types of wood available, each with their own unique characteristics. Pine is a softwood that is lightweight and easy to work with, but not as durable as hardwoods like oak or maple. Oak is a hardwood that is strong and durable, but can be more difficult to work with. Maple is a hardwood that is strong, durable, and has a smooth surface. When selecting wood for your project, it's important to inspect it for knots, cracks, and other imperfections. These can weaken the wood and make it more difficult to work with. Look for wood that is straight and free of knots and cracks. Once you've selected your wood, it's important to prepare it for use. This includes smoothing it with a planer or a hand plane. This will remove any rough spots and make it easier to work with. Next, you'll want to cut your wood to the correct size. This can be done with a saw or a table saw. Make sure to measure carefully and mark your cuts clearly to ensure accuracy. By selecting the right type of wood and preparing it properly, you'll have the best chance of success with your woodworking project. Remember to take your time and pay attention to detail, and you'll be able to create a beautiful, long-lasting piece. So, choose your wood wisely, prepare it properly and start building. Remember to take your time, be safe, and have fun. Check the description below to learn woodworking from the comfort of home. Happy woodworking!